All right, welcome to the next day. It's like 3, 4 more days left here. I'm not sure because they all just run together. Anyways, we just got back from a grocery store run. We now have food. I mean, it's literally only a couple days, so we don't need that much. But we got more stuff in here. Ta-da! I thought we got more food though. Yeah. Oh, where's our pizza? Our pizzas and we got stuff in here. Ow. Got pizzas. Got veggies. Nick, you wanna tell them where we're going?
A lake.
We're going to a lake.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gearing up, getting ready to head out. So yeah. Y'all ready?
I'm ready.
Awesome. We are blessed with having a washer. Sadly though, there's no dryer. So we have to do all this. It's not super cold, but it is snowing. There's the boys. Why do I say such stupid things? There she is. The whip. Again. Oh. I say such stupid stuff.
What?
I say such stupid stuff.
What'd you say this time?
I said, yep, there's our whip.
Like the tangy whip.
Zip. Oops, sorry.
Good.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes and a
Woo! Maybe our car's rear-wheel drive.
Is it? No, because we wouldn't have skidded so much. Whoa, it's slippery here. Alright, we made it to Lake Eibsee. It's a little bit more touristy than I would have thought.
Really?
Yeah, well, I guess it's mostly Zugspitze is
Like,
I think that's the tallest. I think that's the tallest mountain in Germany. So I didn't realize that there was like a cable car speed. So we made it. It's a bit snowy and cloudy, but CJ. Dang, my phone still giving me directions. Anyways, CJ ran off to the bathroom like a little kid. So now we need to find him.
you literally have to go find CJ.
But all's well in the world. Yeah. Whew. Pretty cool. Found CJ.
What?
So we found CJ. There's the lake. It's pretty cold. Pretty cool, pretty cold. It's actually really cool. I say we go this way.
With the lake, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Yes, we're gonna follow the lake. Seems cool and fun. Kinda got lost, so now we gotta backtrack. It's really cold out and my hands are freezing. So yeah, it's gorgeous though. Trying to get back to the car. It's like a blizzard out here. There she is. The microphone's covered with snow. Whole freaking thing. Okay, well. All right. There they are. All right. Oh goodness, your lens is it's on the inside, isn't it? All right, well, this is just gonna be audio then, but there was some pretty treacherous roads, pretty much right when we were leaving. It actually snowed a lot, and it's still snowing. But it was fun, and we made it down the mountain, and now we're on a pretty main road that should be okay. But now traffic is terrible. So yeah. There we go. Now I can see the traffic. We have to kind of a good thing I didn't drive because I am sleepy. Might have to crack open a Red Bull.
You're gonna get copyrighted because of this music.
How you feeling, Chris?
Fine.
Fine.
This traffic's kind of making me mad.
Yeah, traffic sucks.
Alright, catch you later.